Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today we're celebrating Purim, a holiday full of joy, costumes, parades, and delicious treats. Let's learn some essential Hebrew words and phrases so you can talk about Purim like a pro. Purim is all about celebrating. The holiday of Purim is Chag Purim. Chag, holiday, Purim. A Purim ball is Neshef Purim. Neshef, a ball, Purim. A celebration is Chagiga. Chagiga. A carnival is Carnaval. Carnaval. A parade is מצעד. מצעד. A procession is תהלוכה. תהלוכה. To go dancing is לצאת, לרקוד. לצאת, to go out. לרקוד, to dance. A party is מסיבה. מסיבה. To make noise is להרעיש. להרעיש. A noisemaker is רעשן. רעשן. And the plural noisemakers is רעשנים. רעשנים. A Purim gift basket is משלוח מנות. משלוח מנות. Hamantashen cookies are אוזני המן. אוזני המן. Literally meaning the ears of Haman. Purim is also a holiday with deep meaning, celebrating the bravery of Queen Esther, Esther המלכה, Esther המלכה, the queen, and Mordechai the Jew, Mordechai היהודי, Mordechai היהודי, the Jew, singular male. Every Purim we do a reading of the Megillah, הקראת מגילה, הקראת, reading of, Megillah, a scroll. And the text we are reading is called Megillat Esther, the scroll of Esther, or the book of Esther in the Bible. And of course, we make a lot of noise when we hear Haman's names during the reading. One of the most unique Purim traditions is drinking alcohol. The Talmud teaches us that we should drink until we don't know. Adloyada. The difference between blessed be Mordechai and cursed be Haman. So on Purim, many religious Jews get drunk. To get drunk is להשתכר. להשתכר. To drink is לשתות. לשתות. Alcoholic drinks are משקאות משכרים. משקאות, drinks, משכרים, that get you drunk. But remember, drink responsibly. תשתו באחריות. תשתו, drink, plural, באחריות, with responsibility. Purim is all about costumes and masks. We dress up in all kinds of creative costumes, sometimes even using makeup. A costume is תחפושת. תחפושת. And the plural form costumes is תחפושות. תחפושות. A mask is מסכה. מסכה. And the plural form masks is מסכות. מסכות. Makeup is איפור. איפור. To put on makeup is להתאפר. להתאפר. To dress up is להתחפש. להתחפש. An outfit is תלבושת. תלבושת. Accessories are אביזרים. אביזרים. To wear a mask is ללבוש. מסכה. ללבוש. To wear. מסכה. A mask. A costume contest is תחרות. תחפושות. תחרות. A contest. תחפושות. Costumes. An original costume is תחפושת מקורית. תחפושת. A costume. מקורית. Original. Singular female. Now, let's go over a few possibilities for costumes. A male superhero is גיבור על. גיבור. A hero. גיבור על. A superhero. A female superhero is גיבורת על. גיבורת על. A male firefighter is כבאי. כבאי. A female firefighter is כבאית. כבאית. A male police officer is שוטר. שוטר. A female police officer is שוטרת. שוטרת. A princess is נסיכה. נסיכה. A male cat is חתול. חתול. A female cat is חתולה. חתולה. A king is מלך. מלך. A queen is מלכה. מלכה. A male angel is מלאך. מלאך. A female angel is מלאכית. מלאכית. To dress up, you might use a crown. כתר. כתר. A wand is שרביט. שרביט. Wings are כנפיים. כנפיים. A tail is זנב. זנב. Ears are אוזניים. אוזניים. A cape is גלימה. גלימה. A creative costume is תחפושת יצירתית. תחפושת, a costume, יצירתית, creative, singular female. If you're planning a creative costume, let me know in the comments. Now, let's learn a few phrases that can be very useful on Purim. To ask, what did you dress up as when speaking to a male? Ask, למה התחפשת? למה? To what? התחפשת, you dressed up as, singular male. And when asking a female, say, למה התחפשת? למה התחפשת? Now, let's say that you don't really understand the costume and you want to ask, what are you supposed to be? When speaking to a male, ask, מה אתה אמור להיות? מה, what? אתה, you, singular male. אמור, supposed to, singular male. להיות, to be. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה את אמורה להיות? מה, what? את, you, singular female. אמורה, supposed to, singular female. להיות, to be. To ask, what are you planning to dress up as when speaking to a male? Ask, למה אתה מתכנן להתחפש? למה, to what? אתה, you, singular male. מתכנן, plan, singular male. להתחפש, to dress up. And when speaking to a female, ask, למה את מתכננת להתחפש? למה, to what? את, you, singular female. מתכננת, plan, singular female. להתחפש, to dress up. If someone asks you, what did you dress up as? To say, I dressed up as, say, התחפשתי ל, and then say the name of the costume. התחפשתי, I dressed up, ל, to, and then for example say, a princess, נסיכה. התחפשתי לנסיכה. Or, התחפשתי לשוטר. I dressed up as a policeman. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed learning Hebrew with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any videos. Wishing you all a happy Purim! Purim Sameach! If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.